What's going on, everyone? Michael here. It's Friday, May 12th, and that means it's time for another segment of the CryptoFix Recap. On Sunday, May 7th, Binance would have some major issues pausing all Bitcoin's withdrawals not just once, but twice. The first pause would come earlier in the day and took under an hour to resume withdrawals. However, the second pause would come in less than 8 hours after the first pause. In addition to that, the second pause would last a little over 2 hours. The price of Bitcoin would drift downwards by 2.6% in just 24 hours. Binance's resolution was to adjust fees higher as well as working to enable BTC Lightning Network withdrawals, which will help in the future. Do you feel like the pauses had a direct correlation with the drop in Bitcoin? Let us know down below what you think. On Monday, May 8th, crypto exchange Bittrex filed for bankruptcy. This would come a few months after announcing it would wind down operations in the US, just weeks after being sued by the SEC. Bittrex is believed to have 100,000 creditors in an estimated $500 million to $1 billion range in liabilities and assets. Bittrex has had a rough 2023, laying off 80 employees in February and announcing in March that they would end all U.S. operations by the end of April. Despite their impending U.S. exit, the SEC decided to sue Bittrex in mid-April on allegations that operated a national security exchange broker and clearing agency. The SEC is also suing former Bittrex CEO Bill Shiara and Bittrex Global. Bittrex CEO Oliver Lynch doesn't plan to fight these charges, but filing bankruptcy will make this very tough. And finally, on May 11th, a 21-year-old French citizen would be convicted in Africa for purchasing a Ferrari with Bitcoin. The original sentence was handed down to Thomas Closey in October 2022. Closey's lawyer says that Closey will only be spending a little over a month in jail to complete his sentence, stating this appears to be a message to all in Africa who want to hold digital assets. Our question of the week is, if you could receive $5 million USD, but you had to invest all $5 million into real estate for 5 years, or you could choose 20 Bitcoins every year for 5 years, putting you at a grand total of 100 total Bitcoins after 5 years, which would you choose and why? Let us know down below what you would choose in the comments section. That's it for this week's CryptoFix Recap. If you all are enjoying the content, please drop that like, drop that subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for future updates. Again, my name is Michael, and I hope you enjoyed this week's segment. Stay tuned for more crypto-related news.